Ready to turn your spare change into serious savings? Today, we're diving deep into the Acorns investment app, showing you exactly how to set it up and start building your financial future. Step 1. Download the Acorns app from your app store and create an account. This involves providing personal information and linking your bank account. Next, it's time to choose your investment portfolio. Acorns offers several pre-built portfolios ranging from conservative to aggressive, or even options built around socially responsible investing. Consider your risk tolerance and investment goals when selecting a portfolio. Now, let's unlock the power of roundups. This is where Acorns really shines. When you enable roundups, Acorns will round up your everyday purchases to the nearest dollar and invest the difference. To accelerate your growth, set up recurring investments. Even small, consistent contributions can make a big difference over time. Consider setting up a daily, weekly, or monthly schedule. Don't forget to check out Acorns Earn, formerly known as Found Money, which lets you earn bonus investments when you shop with partner brands. With Acorns, investing becomes automatic and effortless. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your spare change grow into something significant. Happy investing!